You are 2 days in and you are really doing better. Welcome to day 3. Today we are going to hit 10 powerful idiomatic expressions. So, if you feel that your vocabulary is a bit repetitive, these expressions are your fix. Please stick around for number 7 because it is one of the most misused idiomatic expressions. Let's get started. And this is our day 3. The main topic there is communication, secret, and honesty. These idioms that we are going to talk about now are best for informal letters and lazy construction. Okay? So number 1 is to let the cat out of the bag. The meaning is to accidentally reveal a secret. Then let's look at the example in a sentence. We planned a surprise party for the teacher, but John let the cat out of the bag. That means John revealed the secret. Number 2, to beat around the bush. The meaning, to avoid talking about the main topic or the point of a matter. We have an example in sentence. Stop beating around the bush and tell the principal why you were found behind the hostel during class. Number 3, straight from the horse's mouth. What's the meaning? Information gotten from the right source or the original source. Example, I heard the rumor about the holiday from the horse's mouth. That means you heard it from the right source or from the original source. Number 4, to hear it on the grapevine. That means to hear news or rumors from source that is not official. Example, I heard from the grapevine that English paper might be rescheduled. So you heard it at a place not official. That means you are not even sure whether it is correct or not. Then the 5th one, to call a spade a spade. The meaning, to speak plainly and truthfully, even if it is unpleasant or even if it is not pleasant. Let's call, that is the sentence now, let's call a spade a spade. We lost the debate because we are not prepared for the competition. So that is number 5. Now let's look at number 6. Number 6, to keep someone in the dark, meaning to keep someone uninformed about something. Example, the exam board kept everyone in the dark regarding the new format of the oral English test. That is to keep the students in the dark regarding their oral English examination. That is not giving them the information. Then number 7, to break the ice. What's the meaning? To say or do something to make people feel more relaxed, maybe in a gathering or an event or a social setting. Example, the teacher poked a little fun to break the ice before distributing the paper. That is to make everybody relaxed before distributing the paper. That is to break the ice. Number 8 is to pull someone's leg. The meaning, to tease or joke with someone by telling him something that isn't true. That is when you lie to someone and you make the person to believe that that thing is true when it is not true. That means you are pulling the person's leg. Example, don't cry. I was only pulling your leg when I said that the principal wants to see you or the principal is looking for you. Number 9, to bury the hatchet, meaning to stop quarreling and become friends again. To bury the hatchet, that is to stop quarreling or arguing. Maybe you have been in argument for a while and you are not in talking terms. When you say bury the hatchet, that means to stop that quarreling and become friends again. Example, The two best friends finally decided to bury the hatchet after months of not speaking to each other. That is, they finally decided to become friends again. That is, to bury the hatchet, to stop argument, to stop quarrel, and become friends again. Then number 10, a tall story. What's the meaning of tall story? Story that is difficult to believe because it is an exaggeration. That story was meant to appear more bigger than it is. So it is called a tall story. Example, no one believed his tall story about how a masquerade stole his school bag on the way to school. So it's a tall story because it's an exaggeration and it's unbelievable. Thank you so much for today. So we are going to the next day, idiomatic expressions. I want you to hold on till the 5th day. Kudos to you. Please subscribe for more. If possible, share to your friends so that they will enjoy it with you. And please hit that like. Thank you.